So most people solve this question like 5 plus 20 is equal to 25. Then 5 multiplied 2 is equal to 2. Okay. So now 25 divided by 10 is equal to 5 upon 2. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. P means first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. In this question, we have one addition, one division, and one multiplication. So first we have to solve multiplication and division. And both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay. So 5 plus 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4 multiplied 2. Now here is addition and here is multiplication. Okay, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve addition. So 5 plus 4 multiplied 2 is equal to 8. So 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Okay, so the correct answer is 13.